The amazing footage coming up was filmed when Kīlauea erupted in Hawaii. This close-up of lava entering the ocean was filmed by Kīlauea, who regularly films videos about life on the island of Hawaii. During filming, Kīlauea's East Rift Zone was actively sending lava flows into the sea, creating significant steam plumes. This event happened on the 10th of February 2013, and the activity was part of a long-term eruption cycle that began in 1983. Kīlauea is one of the most active volcanoes in the world and is located on the Big Island of Hawaii. This eruption of Kīlauea created new land in the form of a lava delta, adding to the ongoing expansion of the Big Island when fluid basaltic lava rolled over the existing sea cliffs, instantly boiling the seawater and cooling to form a fragile shelf of new solid ground. By 2013, the long-term eruption cycle had already added more than 500 acres of new land to Hawaii's southern coastline. While this process expands the island, the newly created land is highly temporary and hazardous because the new lava shelf sits on a foundation of loose volcanic rubble. These deltas frequently collapse into the deep ocean without warning. When a delta breaks apart, seawater rushes into the open lava tubes, creating steam-driven explosions that can hurl hot rock and boiling water hundreds of meters inland. Would you get as up close to the molten lava as Kīlauea did? Let us know in the comments. I don't think I'd be that brave.